Hi friends! I would like to share with you how I replaced a disk on a very old laptop. MAXDATA PRO 400 MCD made in the 2000th year. These are the parameters it has. Processor, Celeron 500 MHz. DIMM memory. Q 196 MB. DVD-ROM drive. Ultra DMA, 33 hard disk drive 5 GB. What makes him special is the fact that he has a built-in floppy disk. I use this device to make floppy disks that can be used to repair old vintage equipment. We are shooting his native disk. This is a Toshiba MK6015 M.2 hard disk drive with 6 GB and a SATA 44-pin connector. I made the decision to install an M.2 SSD disk with a capacity of 128 GB instead. Attach the outdated drive to the ID44 slot on the USB adapter. To ensure reliability, we should put it in a specific container. Attach one side of the cable to the USB container. Attach the other two ends to a contemporary laptop. An old disk appeared in the system. Open the free Disk Genius program. A link to this program is provided in the description under the video. We allocate an old disk from the disks. Create an image of the entire disk and save it to a folder on the desktop. Detach the disk. Next, we need an M.2 drive and an SSD adapter card that can convert from SATA to M.2. We put a Kingston disk RBU SNS8100S3 with 128 GB in a container. We connect the wire's end to the container. And we will connect the second end to the laptop because there is an image from the old disk. Launch the Disk Genius program. Select Drive M.2 to drive Kingston RBU SNS8100S3, opening the image of the old disk that was saved. I want to utilize the full 128 GB of space on a new disk. Transfer the image from the previous disk to the M.2 Kingston disk RBU SNS8100S3. We checked for files and saw that the disk is now increased in size to 128 GB. Remove the disk from the laptop. Then we place our disk in the M.2 SATA SSD to 44-pin 2.5 ID converter. We connect the adapter for the MAXDATA laptop. We connect the container with the new disks to the MAXDATA PRO laptop 400 M.2 SSD. Power on the laptop. The Kingston RBU SNS8100S3 has been identified. Commence the process of booting Windows XP from M.2. We check the disk and see that it is now 128 GB in size. Thank you for watching my video.